large, small, exit, leave, talk, gift, fast, sick, stone, near, close, last, start, easy, simple, raise, false, under, above, angry, hard, rule, right, mistake, hold, happen, finish, eat, respect, trip, sad, get, already, also, always, both, certain, early, even, far, near, only, shortly, soon, such, often, basically, briefly, usually, clearly, totally, all, almost, any, calm, cruel, each, few, must, new, only, put, now, so, soon, such, tell, that, still, till, hurry up, do again, show me, don't jump, it's easy, don't forget, don't know, don't move, get up, eat it, do properly, hold it, don't laugh, don't cry, don't forget, don't go, don't stop, don't touch, don't run, don't lie, don't disturb, don't talk, I do that, let's do this, they do go, do you smoke? Do you know her? Why do you ask? Don't lie to me. He doesn't play football. I did it myself. Did you see her? He did not go out. Did you take a bath? Did you say something? What did he say? What did you say? Does he speak English?